Very smart.
Tu fais quoi?
Je vous filme
Ah!
pour aller sur YouTube. Vous voulez voir aller
Oh,
sur YouTube?
j'ai trouvé ton compte YouTube.
Oui? C'est pas grand-chose, hein?
C'est la famille Van.
Adventure Family.
Ces deux-là sont pareils. Celle-là et celle-là sont pareilles. Même elle.
Day 1 of Bromont Campground vacances. We're going to the pool. It's a huge site. Like, honestly, it's like one of the biggest I've seen beside like setback places like government owned campground, and it looks pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff to see. Playgrounds for kids, water slides, heated pool, the whole spiel. So it's going to be a good weekend. Today it's beautiful, and tomorrow's a bit of rain, so we're going to try to maximize our day and then just have fun. It's going to be sweet.
Hello guys, today I'm with my friend Say hello. Hi. And we just went over there. It's like so crazy. I didn't before I was like, no, I don't want to do this, like, but now I said, my dad said, you want to do something, I buy you. I said, look, okay. Look, and now my dad did this. Me, I have this too. We're like bestie sisters. We're bestie like horrible. Oh no. So yeah, and this is my little brother, and this is the whole family. Make you a tour like right here. We get we're here. It's the boardwalk for the train. Over there is Siliglisado, and over there it's Mario things, and that's the giant plug that was I talked. We're taking the train. It's raining.
We are still in Bromont, and we're going Bromont? Is it bro or bro?
Hello.
Bromont.
Bro.
Okay.
Bro.
Say hello. 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 And we're going for a little ride. We need to go to a grocery store, get some beer and wine, because tomorrow is our provincial national day.
Provincial national?
Yeah, but it's not national. It's like a national holiday, but it's not national because it's not from the nation.
Quebec
it's from
national?
it's Quebec. Provincial day, so everything is closed. So we're gonna go shop around, look a couple of things, probably have ice cream and coffee, and get back to our campground. Are you chill, babe? Oh, yeah. So how's your ice cream?
Awesome.
Awesome?
Very good.
Say?
Happy birthday. Really good. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.